Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast here at the Homewood Suites by Hilton, Allentown West, Fogelsville, Pennsylvania. Here for 5 nights on a stay booked with points. Walking into this suite room I've received with an upgrade thanks to Hilton Diamond status. You can see a microwave, a stovetop area, dishwasher, coffee maker, and kitchen. Around the corner, the refrigerator and various advertisements for Homewood Suites, including a table that doubles as a dining table and a space for a laptop. Coming into the main room, a large TV. We have a couch and an area for eating in the middle. A little bit of an elevated table that can come in. A view outside, nothing spectacular here late at night, as this is more of an industrial park area. Can see the highway, some wall art, the mountains of the area, some farm spaces, some parks over here. Coming into the bedroom, this is a separate area, separated with a door. Nice to see, so some privacy if you want, a quieter area. Really large king bed, 2 lamps, nightstands, place for outlets right next to the bed, and another television. So nice 2 TVs, one in the main room, one in the bedroom. Nice to get these little things with upgrades. Another view of the outside. Again, mostly the parking lot, highway, and an industrial area. Coming in, looks like it's some charging pad. That's nice, not only the lamp outlets, but the charging pad as well. Separate dresser here on the nightstand. Coming into the bathroom area, this is just walking into the bathroom. A small sink separate from the toilet. Another door on this end separating the toilet, the shower, and the sink. Hand soap, body lotion, and some small towels. Closet over here, extra bedding. Into the bathroom, we have a simple bathtub and shower combined, and a curtain, no glass. Have a towel rack here above the toilet, and some more wall art. So for 5 nights in the Allentown area, nothing super luxurious, but nice to have a room upgrade with the Hilton Diamond status from lots of Hilton activity with American Express. Final view in the main area of the room. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.